They are happy. They are happy. She loves her job. She loves her job. You are funny. You are funny. I like to dance. I like to dance. She is an artist. She is an artist. He is my brother. He is my brother. He is my hero. He is my hero. She is a teacher. She is a teacher. We have a cat. We have a cat. This is a pen. This is a pen. You are my family. You are my family. The sun is bright. The sun is bright. It is a good day. It is a good day. It is late. It is late. She is very talented. She is very talented. She is wearing a dress. She is wearing a dress. It is a snowy day. It is a snowy day. We are playing games. We are playing games. This is my notebook. This is my notebook. I love to laugh. I love to laugh. She is a good cook. She is a good cook. I can help you. I can help you. She loves to travel. She loves to travel. We eat lunch. We eat lunch. I like flowers. I like flowers. I like to take photos. I like to take photos. He plays the piano. He plays the piano. He is a cook. He is a cook. I am sad. I am sad. I can swim. I can swim. We go to school. We go to school. This is my house. This is my house. You are very smart. You are very smart. I like coffee. I like coffee. They play soccer. They play soccer. He helps me. He helps me. It is raining. It is raining. She is very nice. She is very nice.